Hello guys, today we're going to learn how to generate a QR code with Appy Pie app. Go to App Pages in the App Design section. Select Information menu and click on QR Code to integrate the feature in the app. In the QR Code area, you can change the page name and image of the icon as per your needs. You also need to fill in a few details, like your first and last name, organization name, email ID, title, mobile number, official phone number, fax number, address, and website URL to generate the QR code. Hit Preview to check the functionality of the QR code feature and click Save and Finish. Thanks for watching.